Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Calc BC. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes a multiple-choice section and a free response section. Next, dedicate time to reviewing all essential calculus concepts, building upon your AB knowledge. Finally, develop a consistent study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each topic to ensure comprehensive coverage. This systematic approach will help you feel prepared and confident for the exam. To master core concepts, prioritize advanced topics such as Taylor and Maclaurin series, as well as parametric, polar, and vector functions. Dedicate significant time to practicing various differentiation and integration techniques, ensuring you understand their applications. Supplement your learning with reliable online resources, video tutorials, and your textbook for alternative explanations and additional practice problems. A deep understanding of these fundamentals is crucial for success. Effective practice is key. Start by working through past AP free response questions, simulating exam conditions with a timer. This helps you manage your time and develop problem-solving strategies. Next, complete multiple-choice practice sets to enhance your speed and accuracy across various question types. Crucially, review every incorrect answer thoroughly to understand the underlying concepts and prevent repeating similar errors. Consistent practice builds confidence. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest the night before to perform at your best. During the test, read all instructions meticulously and manage your time wisely across both sections. Don't dwell too long on one problem, move on and return if time permits. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your study sessions and on exam day. For a great way to do that, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.